A hallucination refers to a perception of something that is not actually present, like seeing, hearing, or feeling things that aren't there. It can happen due to various reasons, such as illness, drugs, or extreme stress. Hallucination equals seeing, hearing, or feeling something that isn't real. Hallucination noun, general. A false perception of something that is not actually present, often involving the senses. Example, he had a hallucination where he thought he saw a person in the room, but no one was there. Hallucination noun, medical. A symptom of various mental health conditions or disorders, like schizophrenia or delirium. Example, hallucinations are a common symptom in certain mental illnesses. Hallucination noun, drug-related. A perception caused by the use of hallucinogenic drugs, like LSD or mushrooms. Example, the drugs caused vivid hallucinations, making him see colors that weren't real. Hallucination noun, figurative. A false belief or perception about something, often used metaphorically. Example, his idea of becoming a billionaire was just a hallucination, given his current financial situation. The patient experienced hallucinations as a side effect of the medication. After the long hike, he began to have hallucinations of animals and strange figures. She was so tired that she started seeing hallucinations of people in the distance. The movie portrayed a character suffering from hallucinations due to a traumatic event, who was hospitalized after suffering from severe hallucinations caused by fever. Hallucinations are sensory experiences that seem real but are created by the mind. They can be visual, seeing things that aren't there, auditory, hearing voices or sounds, or involve other senses like touch or smell. They can be caused by mental health disorders, drugs, or extreme stress.